Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to check meta account quality. Sometimes what happen, your meta assets gets restricted, right? So how to check that particular asset is restricted or not? For that reason we need to check the meta account quality. And what we can do for this is, like, first of all, log in into your Facebook account, and in the new tab you can simply search on Google that meta account quality. Okay, I've searched meta account quality, and now you just need to skip the sponsored result if it is displaying. So you just need to click on the organic search result that is ranking on the first number. Now I will click on continue. Okay, you can simply also type this URL on your browser, that is https://business.facebook.com/business-support-home, right? You can take a screenshot of it, and you can simply visit this URL. Okay, it is opening. As we have lots of clients add account access, so that's why it might be taking some more time than usually it used to. Okay, after coming to this screen, you can simply click on view my accounts. Okay, here as you can see in my own Facebook account, there are no advertisement issues, right? It is very much healthy. And if I talk about my clients ad account, then most of the clients ad account are having no issues. Some do have restriction issues, and because of any reason, we will also learn how to remove those restrictions. So as you can see, most of the ad account don't have that particular issue, right? And this particular client do have a asset restriction. If we click on it, then we will come to know what restriction or what meta assets have been restricted in his meta business suite. So I have simply clicked on this. We will also learn how to remove those restrictions. Okay, their ad account has been disabled, right? So ad account disablement is not a big issue. If you don't pay your pending bills, then also your ad account gets disabled. So you can simply again click on this, and you will come to know why your ad account has been disabled by Meta. And sometimes it's not always your mistake. Sometimes clients can also do mistakes, and that can be displayed at your end, because sometimes clients run the ads, Meta ads, uh, by own, right, without having much knowledge about copyrights and all. So their ad accounts get restricted. So if you come to this, then available for review, in review, approved, remains rejected, there are no issues. Why it is showing that particular ad account has been disabled? Because of balance, I guess. Whenever the client will add fund into their ad account, then again the ad account will get active. So there are n number of reasons why your assets gets restricted. If you spam, or if you run ads that violate Meta guidelines, then also your ad account can face disablement. So this is completely okay. We need not to request any review, because this particular disablement is just because of not running ads. Let me check another any Meta business portfolio, so you will come to know that what kind of restrictions you can face. This particular business portfolio do have restrictions. I know very well. This client have made already lots of mistakes previously, right? So here the Meta have restricted their business. We have restricted your account as a safety measure, because some of your activity look like it does not follow our rules and all, trying to get around. Or can this customer submit a review to Meta to go through their account again and make decision? No, because it is a permanent disablement, right? And why this happened with this client, let me tell you that this particular client, right, used to message lots of people in bulk by using their WhatsApp business, right? And as you know that WhatsApp business doesn't facilitate you that particular service of bulk messaging. For that they have another platform, which is WhatsApp business API, right? So if you are using WhatsApp business for bulk messaging, then obviously Meta will restrict your WhatsApp business. Meta will disable your WhatsApp business account. And if you uh, and if you don't understand these things and do this particular thing multiple times, then Meta will blacklist your IP, and you would not be able to create WhatsApp business account, right, using the same number. So again, if you are committing such kind of mistakes, then Meta will put a higher restriction on you. Like you can't create a Facebook ad account as well, or you can't run Facebook ads, because that particular IP is blacklisted by Meta. So this particular client did the same mistake, used to message people using WhatsApp business in bulk. And then whenever the WhatsApp business was restricted by Meta, he or she always creates a new WhatsApp business and again do such kind of activity. So Meta have restricted their WhatsApp business. They can't create new WhatsApp business account, and as soon as they create a new WhatsApp business account, their WhatsApp business get restricted, right? So later that particular customer created a Facebook page and Instagram account, and they linked both, and created a Meta Business Suite portfolio, and then created a business ad account, and that again got restricted because Meta was restricting that particular person to create business related assets, because Meta have experienced that particular customer doesn't meet community guidelines previously. So that's why when he started running ads, his Meta Business Suite got restricted again. So coming to this particular client, Golden Isuzu Bikaner, here is restriction because that particular customer, the ad account is very much healthy, as you can see, right? There is no such kind of restriction. As you can see, we can review the status of ad account and pages for the business that may need, and do not ad account is very much healthy. But here you can see there are no pages. Why so? Because page has been removed by Meta. The reason behind this is that this particular client have opened a service center of Golden Isuzu, right? And he have created a page in the name of that particular company, right? Which he can't, because he can't use that particular company name, and he entirely have a different service center name. He or she should create the Facebook page of his own business, not in the name of the business which they have tied up, right? Or have taken any agency of that business. They can't, because again it's a copyright infringement that you are using the another company name and promoting your business. So that's why that particular company might have claimed the copyright strike on them, and their page have been removed by Meta, and that's why their business portfolio has been restricted. So again, you need to take care of this. You can't create you can't create a Facebook page or Instagram account in the name of another company, right? Because it is trademark infringement or copyright infringement. There are certain laws in our country. So These are some issues due to which like meta assets get restricted, and like if you have not paid your past ad account bills as well, your meta account can get restricted. Or if you have run ad of any unethical things, then also your meta account get restricted. Mostly like pharmacy stores meta accounts get restricted because like we cannot advertise drugs or medicines without any certain permissions. And many politicians also face the same kind of issue that their meta assets get restricted. So you can't run ads of anything. You just need to first read the meta guidelines, which product or services you can like promote on the meta's platform. And then only I suggest you to like run ads, so that your none of your meta assets can face restriction. So this is all for now. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore the course, and you can directly purchase it from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.